Good morning. We are officially on our day 4, but technically pang-limang araw na namin dito sa Tokyo, Japan. So yon, grabe ang bilis lumipas ng mga araw. Katulad nga ng kasabihan na gasgas na, time flies when you're having fun. So, yun naman maganda, we're having fun here. Today, itinerary is pretty chill. Pupunta lang kami sa Gotemba Premium Outlets. Tapos, kapag may time pa in the afternoon, kung maaga kami makakabalik, plano namin sanang pumunta sa Shinjuku. So, tingnan natin how this day would unfold and sana mag-enjoy kami. Tingnan natin kung may mabibiling good deals, kung meron may score na big discounts. Depende yon, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari later. See you! Hello everyone. Dito na kami sa Tokyo Station. So katulad ng nakaraan, it's just 2 train stops away from Akihabara Station. Right now it's just a little over 8:30 a.m. Yung schedule ng bus namin is 9 a.m. pa. So medyo waiting game pa kami dito. Pero okay na rin. Better early than nai-stress kasi malalate na sa bus. So yun, nakatambay muna kami dito sa harap na isa sa mga convenience store dito na meron ding toilet. Should be convenient lalo kung pasakay na kami ng bus mamaya tapos biglang makakaramdam na kailangan pa mag-restroom. Hopefully, hindi traffic today. Hopefully, maiksi lang yung biyahe. Siguro, ang estimate is 1 or 1.5 hours yung biyahe. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Ang ina-expect na weather doon ay maulan at malamig kaya nag-ready kami ng damit tsaka payong. Later guys. Good morning from Gotemba Premium Outlets, everyone. It is sadly a rainy day, so medyo panira ng lakad. However, sobrang smooth naman nung naging biyahe. Wala halos traffic dun sa expressway papunta. So, we are now here to explore the many shops, the many outlet stores being offered by Gotemba Premium Outlets. We'll start with Gap. So, okay, pasok tayo. Not sure lang kung pwede mag-vlog, pero yeah, at least here. Okay, baka hindi kasi pwede, so mamaya na lang ulit guys. Tingnan natin kung merong mga good offers dito sa Gap. Update lang guys. First budol of the day. It's courtesy of Gap. So napabili kami ng mga heavily discounted na mga sweatshirts. So right now, papasyal ko lang muna kayo dito sa mga stores malapit sa Gap. This is actually still from the entrance. So we got Kate Spade, we got Coach. Dito naman Roger Vivier. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce and I would not pretend to know kasi mga French brands. Okay, this one is still Coach. Dito ay Moncler. Parang focusing on winter apparel. Here we got Pandora. Pangat lang talaga ng panahon guys, pero ganun talaga. Nonetheless, ang dami pa rin tao. This one is Montblanc. So they're selling bags, watches. We got Ray-Ban here on the right side. I'm sure you know what Ray-Ban sells. Next one is Hamilton. They sell watches, Longines watches as well. Verit or Verite? Oh, jewelry. On the right, we have Tasaki jewelry store din siya. Häagen-Dazs is a famous ice cream brand. Okay, tapos end of the line here is Tissot, Swatch, Star Jewelry. Tissot is a watch brand as well. On the right side, we have Vendome Aoyama. Jewelry store siya. Okay. Balikan muna natin yung family guys. Nandun sila sa Kate Spade. Mukhang may mabubudol. FYI guys, for those na nagpaplano palang pumunta dito and haven't been here yet, FYI, current bus ticket price of Gotemba Premium Outlets from Tokyo Station is 2,200 Japanese yen one way. Okay? So once again, 2,200 yen one way pa lang. So may kamahalan. Basically, for a two-way trip, it's 4,400 yen total per person. So, mahal. Obviously, mahal. So, going here must be intentional. You should really have a plan to buy something if you're going here. So dapat talaga bago pumunta dito, planado, handa ang budget, ready to spend talaga.
Yan yun kasi magiging backpack.
Yung backpack
Versatile
tayo.
nga.
Doon tayo sa versatile.
Guys, maghanap lang kami ng food for lunch. So, itong Gutem Premium Outlets, super laki ng property. I think divided into 3 sections yung Gutemba Premium Outlets. Yung Gap, yung mga first few stores na kita natin kanina, part sila nung tinatawag na West Side. This time, nandito kami sa Hillside. Dinayo namin siya mainly because of Lacoste. Kasi some of the family members prefer that brand. And maybe they can find discounted items. So kaya naglalakad lang kami papunta sa makakainan. Hopefully you can find a nice place to eat.
Kaya nga po eh. Ayun tayo.
Lunch is served, guys. So we got our meals, Joanne and I, from a restaurant named Pacifica. So there's in meat and seafood. So yun lang. Malaking serving. It's not that expensive compared to the other restaurants nearby. So now, we'll be the judge kung masarap. So, masarap yung shrimp nila.
Meron naman sa
Di malansa. Tikman natin yung parang burger steak.
Ito fish, ito chicken. Ang lasa. Buti na tayo sa kabila.
Medyo strong yung lasa ng sauce ng burger. Pero after a few seconds,
Buti ang dami kayo na dito.
umokay din naman siya. This is good. There's a reason why mahaba yung pila nung kumakain or nung bumibili ng pagkain dun sa restaurant na. So once again, that's called the Pacific Cafe. It's found here sa parang topmost floor ng Hillside. Sabi nung family ko, bagong bukas lang daw to. Wala daw to nung last na visit nila. So, check this out. We're done with lunch, guys. It's a pretty delicious one and pretty affordable considering the place and the other choices. So, yun. Highly recommended, the Pacific Cafe. Anyway, tinutuloy na namin yung pag-ikot dito sa Gutemba Premium Outlets. Next stop is this one. Lind. Okay, it's a chocolate store. So, pasok tayo. Ito yung mga tinda niya, guys. Different flavors. I believe ito yung pinakasikat nila na product. So, yung chocolate balls. Variety of flavors. How about here? Natikman ko siya a few days ago kasi may nagbigay lang na ninong ko. And it's delicious actually. So, syempre, it's best to buy it on a discount kung meron. Kasi medyo on a pricier side siya. Okay. Not sure kung saang side kami right now. Kasi naglakad lang kami ng naglakad. Pero, as you can see naman dito, merong Lego. Okay, let's keep walking. Under Armour. May Sanrio, so let's check that out. Ulan pa rin ng ulan, guys. Ito lang yung hassle. So for Sanrio fans out there, meron ding dedicated store dito sa Gotemba. Dito sa Tiger naman tayo, guys. Punta tayo sa East Zone, guys, kung nasa ng Nike and Adidas.
Gusto ko ng ng Coke.
Baka sakaling,
May Coke doon.
maliban sa Coke, baka sakaling may good deals sa ever-trusted na brands natin na Nike at Adidas. Hello! Time check, it's 3:15 p.m. local time. A few more minutes before our bus ride back home. Or actually, pupunta pa nga kami ng Shinjuku. Nakabook na kami ng ticket. It will depart at exactly 4 p.m. Joanna and I are personally done in this Gotemba Premium Outlet experience na nabili na namin lahat siguro ng kailangan namin bilhin, and happy naman kami sa mga nabili namin. Scored very good deals, malalaki yung discount, and ang laking bagay na nare-reach yung tax-free na threshold. Additional savings siya. So tandaan nyo yun, dito sa Japan, kung may tax-free na feature yung shop, so long as you hit 5,500 yen, makaka-avail na kayo ng tax-free na option. Kailangan nyo lang i-present yung passport, and that's it. Bayad na lang kayo. Lapit na kami umuwi, guys. Ayan na, kanya-kanyang hawak na ng paper bag. Ayan si Tita Nori, medyo napakaskas, sabi nga nila. Ito actually, may bit-bit ako dito na kay Tita Nori din. Tumulong na lang ako magbuhat. Swerte ni Gotemba sa amin.
Sakay, sakay.
number ni tayo.
Tayo na lang uli mga huli. Kasi second booking pa tayo.
Same 4? Tama ba? 4?
Ako, diba? Hindi pala, Marvin. Simula. Okay lang yan dito.
Vloggers. 290.
今日も JR バステックスワローエクスプレスをご利用いただきまして誠にありがとうございます。101回の他の